Hello guys, in previous video we have completed white and yellow. So after completing yellow we will be getting two cases. Sometime the three colors are done. One is white, yellow and this one is a blue. It may be orange, it may be red or it may be green. And in another case only yellow and white is done. So first we will solve this case. RI, F, RI, B1, B2, R, FI, RI, B1, B2, R1, R2. So the whole cube is completed. Now this is the second case. So in this case only yellow and white is done. So you can keep any side back side. So RI, F, RI, B1, B2, R, FI, RI, B1, B2, R1, R2. So now match the color. So orange color is done, white is done and yellow is done. Now keep orange backside. Again use the same notation. RI, F, RI, B1, B2, R, FI, RI, B1, B2, R1, R2. Now match the colors. So 2 by 2 is done. So the second case also completed. Thank you.